Viewers and subscribers, you know it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. So we're at Big Bridge in Westmoreland. You know, it's not the first time we shoot video down here, but it's been a while. So in today's video, you know, see some roast yam stuff with saltfish and okra. So we make our way through the truck. You know, the dog behind the camera.
Yes, my peeps, blessed love. You know what things say. We're there, man. Out. On our way to the location.
Things are all a truck, but that's how it's set.
Yeah.
Quiet.
This one.
Few of us today taking on the adventure. Water make like.
Watch your walk.
The drill. So, all the way across it. One is stone. That's there now across.
Oh, wait till it means it go over.
Oh, Sister Nadisha, I'm there. Borrow. Borrow, take you.
Oh, one more day on the location.
Yeah, we'll shoot video down here. So. Back at it again, you know?
Yes, sir.
Scratch through. Deep, you know? You can't even see bottom already. Crocodile up there. You know?
We don't crocodile eat me. Crocodile love dog, you know?
Yes, Sister Nadisha, come through.
Yeah, but go down here now. Go down from the rock. Yeah, go across.
Yeah, you see that boy in a week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Straight down to man. What left up there?
None.
That's straight down to the truck. So just follow the chopper and go along. Now things then get heavy. Hungry me people. Hungry.
I'm looking for more of this banana. Aquí. I see cassava.
Where's that? No.
Reach out, you're going to say that. Water pretty. Look off. Oh, some debris in the water. Tree drop now.
Yeah, we come back right on the spot.
Come see how the stone them see me.
Yes. God is good, you know?
Come see how the stone them see me. Good look. Coconut thing up on the coconut. Yeah, get the coconut grater for the saltfish. Saltfish cooked down in a coconut milk with okra. Stuff in a yam. But there man, on the riverside. Salt out and the sun them out. That's up on the south peaks. Oh, yeah, get things started. I want to buy a put a good up the water. If I drop down.
Hey, man, you see how wicked the people here, sister, that is.
Look at that water in my neck.
Yeah, we have get some water just to wash hand, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we already have 3 jugs of water.
Come and see water, drinking water, because we are too trusty water. Because you see that we near the river.
So just get in the water just to wash hand.
I want to see saltfish a boil up.
They now will buy a food before we go over there.
You take care of that and come back up.
Oh, there, man.
Yeah, man. Out again.
Yeah, when we done cook with dinner, we are going to jump off of that. If I have a 100 feet a bit to them, I have to fight out.
Yeah, man, see them.
Sure, because
See, look deadly.
you can swim good, so you don't really have a problem.
Just
Yeah,
look,
girl,
just look
water
deadly.
there.
You don't have to go in, I never tell them why you come in the water.
Then I'm going.
Me, I go ahead and yeah, big duck and this one. Try to explore a little bit. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Clean up the okra, you know. Clean them up and wash them off and then cook them up, just slice them up a little. The dog go down and say, this do damage.
Yes, sir.
What kind of damage is that?
Put whole of a slime in the back.
So I go through and just cut them and wash them. It's not no damage, brother. Just eat it just like a regular. Where do? Where do, sister Nadisha? I don't know. Where do you give one little puppy?
Straight in the back, man.
Eh?
Slime juice, drink me a back.
Then tough though.
You know the okra is beauty, most money I get beauty.
Whole heap of people.
Okra is not okay, yo.
What you mean?
Put slime in your back.
What you mean? Good for you, man. Just like a tuna when you soak tuna and drink it. Tuna not good for you.
The okra is good to people who have sugar.
Simple. Just like this.
Oh, eat them other one.
Yeah, man.
Then it's string bean.
So when dog eat this okra, you know, I'm going to get another puppy junior.
That's not even a puppy yet.
I get my win for me one race and I'm done with it.
And put the puppy in pants, you know.
Get for me one and I'm done with it. Look a prince.
Let me puppy come get clean puppy now.
Yes sir, I eat that.
Pull it.
Yeah guys. So I'm going to peel out the inside of the yam. Right? So I'm going to cook up the saltfish with the coconut milk and stuff in it. So I have to use a small knife and make my way good on first. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so we know about roast yam. A lot of people in Jamaica know about roast yam, but you know, and the world know about roast yam, but doing it this way maybe it's the first for some persons. Right, Sister Nadisha?
Yeah. For first, yeah, see it like done like this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Dig out the middle of the yam and put the saltfish inside the middle.
So I take out as much as we can. So we are going to do it with both. Yeah, this piece too. Yeah. Yes, Rasta. Yeah. So the pear knife gets short now, so I have to use the longer knife now. Try to take out some more of it. Just imagine when you stuff all of these good vegetables in the yam, when all of them cook up with the coconut milk, just imagine how it tastes.
Yeah. Can't wait. Yeah, see there. Yes, guys. Yeah, my people. So we are going to saute up the seasons, thyme, celery and onion, garlic, tomato, and a little Scotch bonnet pepper. We are going to add the okra.
You guys, I want to taste this, you know? Like a nice. Delicious. I cannot wait.
I want to know, neither. Add in the saltfish, we have to stir it. I don't want them to burn. We have to add in the coconut milk. We have to draw some of the excess heat from it. For powdered season, we are going to add a little black pepper. We are going to add just a little pimento seed in it. A little pinch of all purpose. I'm going to allow it to cook down a little bit, you know. Hot in a boss, I tell you from now, hold on. Because I know why you going to say me wicked in a boss.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'll take a little pinch of pepper. I'll allow the vegetable to okra to steam just a little bit.
Long time I want to taste a great old saltfish cooked down in okra and coconut milk. Oh my word! When this stuff in the yam and it cooked down and it's ready. The yam roast. Can't wait to get tonight. Watch out. That tastes like
That is something like pot better.
More.
Yes, sir.
I tell you peeps, nice! Can't wait till it simmer down. Watch it. Saltfish cooked down with okra with coconut milk.
Guys, me I saw one crab.
I see one crab, right, this one.
Go go catch him in Arisha. I mean I hear when I want to jump out of the water, you want?
Yeah, jump off.
So jump off, man. You know if you can't see them, but look them. You see them? Go there. Watch it. Watch it. You see them? Go there. May I see them, you know? But then just hatch. See them now? Go there. See, nature provides us with so many great things. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to get the water dog. Yeah, one big crayfish right there, so. Swim right there, so there. You swim off and get right there, so. Yes. So we are adding the saltfish and okra in the yam. Yeah. So I'm going to use back some of the carving. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I want to say one daughter.
Then a daughter me get one. I'm
You want one more?
Yeah, I want one more. Tell boss lady that. No, looking at the camera and tell her. After adding in the saltfish, we just use this as a cover.
The yam that we take out of the migo, we use it as a cover.
So I eat that.
Yeah.
You can't put the fire up. You have to put him to stand up like in a fire.
I'll put the next one side right now.
Roast them.
Yeah.
Guys, look for another dish and iPad. Look for another dish and iPad. Yeah, here over there.
Yes, babes.
But we have to rent the yam.
Roast yam with okra and coconut milk cooked down. Yeah.
Yeah, yam a go on. So we actually have to pack it, come up with the stick them, because the yam have to turn up straight. Because you know all of the juice trying to run out. So your pack it come up now, you can get all of the yam now for taking time and roast. With the coconut and the okra and the saltfish there inside of doing the thing. People look at Rasta. Dig it out of the yam, Rasta say, nah, waste.
No man, I can't waste yam, brother. I make a yam now if we waste yam, but that's a compared with the gravy. We eat that stuff.
Which gravy that?
No, with nobody with saltfish and okra. See that I make a yam, watch I put it. The yam that. Oh my word. When this cook, I eat it with that though.
With what?
Come like a mash yam with it with saltfish.
Mash yam. A must mash yam.
Eat that. Come like a mash yam with the saltfish and the okra. And the gravy, oh.
So go on man, our dinner soon ready.
Yeah. Blaze on the yam peeps. Oh my word.
Yeah, my bubble, watch our steam a come out tight, guys. Roger. Roger.
Blaze on the yam. I make a yam salad a boil up.
A yam digging. I know where I go eat that the way.
Some of that, the brother.
Some of that they are go back down a yard.
That's what I say.
The boy, I don't want to dash past there. I don't want to do. Yeah, peeps. I make a pot of yam with the goat. Yeah, I boil it. I eat this to my saltfish and I call it with the okra. So boy, I want to dash the yam. I can't dash the yam. What up? Yeah, dash it. See there? Make a pot of yam. Look good though. Yeah man. Saltfish with the make a pot of yam and cut out. My dash it. I say no, that not good dash it. You can boil and eat. See, they eat me a boil and eat car. You can't wait me hungry. Yes. What the juice, man? I'm like a yam salad, man. Yes. I can't get none.
I don't want none.
I love you like yam, but I taste it. Yeah, man. I couldn't just say yam. I am that you know. I think I told him.
Most soup you drink.
It's true. With the yam, it come like a yam. It's a yam salad. Nice.
Coconut milk gravy. So the kind of food I drink. Yam salad soup.
Yam salad soup.
Yeah,
It's our new recipe.
new recipe. Yeah.
You really?
Come here, go Tony. Oh my word. Come on, man. Nice. Try it, nice. You go to the ground, you cook along with coconut, milk with saltfish. Nice. Watch out. How you going with it? Nice. Done.
So now we turn the yams, allow them to roast. What are they so?
The saltfish me I roast. The saltfish me I roast. Yeah man. Can't wait for the yam if you don't know.
Yeah.
Roast like the saltfish.
Then your dog not just eat.
You catch up my mouth, you know.
Your dog just eating about. Look at what I just saw. How many birds? Jamaican national bird.
Yeah. I'm ready now, so I get I'm scrape off. This is it, man. Ready for you? One.
Stripe and nut.
Yes, man, it's a come on. Peeps, yeah, I'm ready now.
You hungry, sister Dadisha? Oh, dinner ready.
Can't wait to get in there, yam.
I want some. I see yam run out the yard, Rasta. Why? Can't wait for them to go jump off with this water.
I don't know when to get the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, yeah, I'm ready, man. See the crepe off already to eat, you know. I'll crepe off a big piece too. Press that one side. You know. Whoa. You see, I'm ready.
Look at that, guys. Another one again.
So this alone for me.
Yeah, man. And this a piece of film.
That's not me.
Yeah.
So how are we going to do it? Put it on the plate?
No, throw that water.
Yes, peeps, ready now, man. Ready to make you clean, clean.
This is the pizza. Yeah. Nice, guys.
Not too big tails, so small, you know?
Yeah.
So, man, extra man look on the man plate.
That's all. Yeah, make that waste man nice, you know? Oh my word.
Yes, a film pizza, guys.
Thing I get shell out, nothing I left. Anybody pass through, they have nothing to get, everything's finished. Yeah, man. Very nice, not when I left my pot. You guys, tasty, you know. Jaja. Give thanks, you know. One of these of this, I am the saltfish, I'm you know. Jaja.
Yeah, peeps. Something to talk about, I tell you.
Yeah,
You see, stuff with saltfish, with okra, cook down the coconut milk. Oh my word. I'm going to be there for. Watch out. Yes.
Good people. Man. Meal. Said it all. Roast yam.
Jump out the okra, man.
Cook down your coconut milk.
You guys are cheap on yam, salmon alone is 3 pounds.
Okra. Man. When you see that in there, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, man.
So guys, you can see the saltfish works soak through the yam, you see it? Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yam dry and nice. I enjoy it, that's the saltfish, you know, with the okra. Your man and I go nice. That's what I got just a day here.
I'm not done more. What you do?
Yeah. Happy nice. And your job. Hey guys, but I tell you, I'm gonna allow him to eat in food, man. I tell you. I'm not really a big fan of when it come on to yellow yam, but I tell you, yellow yam, saltfish, okra, coconut milk.
The okra juice soak down in the yam, brother. Yes, man. Coconut juice soak down in the yam.
Gummy. Yeah, not dry. Gummy, man. Yeah, guys, respect.
So, I get it up for me now, because it come like, you don't want me to do the whole live video. So, I get it up for me now, peeps. So, no. I follow them peeps night this evening. But, can taste the coconut juice. Soak down in a yam. Yeah. Dig down in a yam. Yeah. Oh my word. Peeps, you need to try this. Yeah man, you need to try this man. You know what you know? Like, share and comments and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out. How we have?
Yo guys, right now I say I wish I did have one of my tent, right? And I was swear tomorrow before I would have left this location, right? I just don't eat and belly so full. Along with the breeze that blow and like the time just feels so cool and nice. And just I think not go all a 5 hours, but I swear like it's crazy, you know? Outdoor life. One of the best when you come on to adventure video, I love it, really. And most of guys like love this video just like how we put all our effort and time in our video. So, respect again my people. Thanks for making the Caribbean Vibes cooking. As we telling you before the year starts, we have a crazy video to go get, man. Great content, man. So just keep on supporting the channel, man. Share the videos with my brother, sister, mother, uncle, cousin, everybody. Yes, so the channel can get bigger and bigger, you know. Peace out, my people. That's the part there, do. Yeah, catch a crowd of my dugu. Yeah, we are head home now. Beautiful evening. Yeah, beautiful evening. Yeah. Yeah, down here say man, down here say down the bridge say you to jump off and they never see him back. Yeah, yeah. Still when he float up. Yeah, maybe licking head.